but my entire personality is born Punjabi. And like my tastes, like I'm just born and bred like a Punjabi.
Punjabi.
Full on.
What's your favorite food other than Chinese food? It is Chinese, right?
No, Chinese, of course, because I think all the Kapoors are obsessed with Chinese.
And cheat meals?
But मैं तो रोज like हर 2 दिन 3 दिन में पराठा खा रही हूँ.
What do you like in Chinese food?
I like Punjabi Chinese. Huh? That Manchurian and chow mein, and I'm telling you, it's crazy. My taste is like that. Like now, also talking about food, I'm like, oh God, wow, too good. So